Hi friends, welcome to Testing Tutorial Point. This is Lokesh and today we are going to discussing about how to handle alerts in WebDriverIO. Okay, how we can able to handle. First, before that, what are the things are presented for alerts? Alerts are three types. One is normal confirmation. It will be look like this. Okay, if you click OK, then it will give you some information. Okay, in case if you click here, there are two things will be there. One is accept and another one is cancel. This we can able to call it as a dismiss. Okay, if you click dismiss it will give you for cancel. If you click on OK, it will come OK. Okay, in real time it will be different actions. Okay, if you cancel it will stay same place. In case if you click on OK, it will navigate into some other location, like that it will be here. Okay, both similar format different, but when you call this all click this one, it will ask you some text of the information and click OK button or cancel button. Anything we can able to make it. If you click it, is will be empty. Okay, you can provide some text and you can able to do it. And how these alerts will come? See, now this is a small pop-up here. Okay, it will not move anywhere, it will be stay here. Okay, this is a one kind of pop-up, but only thing is this is completely Ajax JavaScript alerts. Okay, it's a JavaScript alerts basically. And what will happen in these particular things we can't able to handle by using our drivers, right? Any language we can't able to handle because of this particular alerts will come from JavaScript side. Okay, they will create for JavaScript methods and they will do it for some alerts for that. Okay, and if you go for Cypress, by default it will do for accept. Default method is accept. Once the alert will come, then default it will be accept. But in our WebDriver IO, it will not be like that. Okay, and you need to inspect here. You can able to see the function also. Button on click Java alert. There is a Java alert function presented. In that function, it will comes to you. Okay, like this. Once you click, it will provide information like that. Okay, how we can able to handle this kind of three alerts? Okay, and here we can able to write it. First we need to take the X path of this particular button. Okay, for the button it is a alert is presented and I can able to control F. I'm going to find for path now. Button text equal to double quotation my value. Okay, now this is alert is available here. Then I wait and I'm going to use for dollar dot, not dot, dollar and single quotation my XPath dot click function. Okay, once it is clicked, that alert window will become. Okay, right? And I'm going to provide another time stamp here to accepting that. How we can able to accept? Browser dot accept alert. Okay, accept alert. Now we can see now. I'm going to run my test this one file. Now it will launch that particular application and it will click on that particular button. Then it will accept for OK button as well. And we can able to see now your successful alert is done. Okay, but if you see this particular alert, if you click this particular one, it will give for I'm a JS alert. There's a information it is presented. Can we able to read it? Yes, we can able to read it. And as well as we can able to assert this particular thing also. How we can able to do these two things? First, I can able to make it here something. Await console.log, and then I can able to make it for await browser dot get alert text, get alert text. It will get the text of that particular alert. Okay, and then after that we can able to get it for the information about this particular message as well, right? For inspecting that particular element, there is a paragraph, that is a id will be presented, and now I'm going to store this particular information, constant message and equal to, and I'm going to use for await and dollar single quotation hash id. Okay, and then I'm going to make it for console.log, and here I'm going to use for await and message dot get text method. Get text method, it will get the text from information, which is this particular information. Okay, and then we can able to make it for assert. Now expect, what we are expecting here, await message dot get text, okay, and the get text to have text. This is the information can able to check for the particular alert having the text information or not. Okay, because we are going to take equal condition, equal or not, equal ignore case, like that is there, right? It is a similar format to have a text, that particular information having the text or not, that we are going to check. Okay, if it is satisfied, then our result will be pass, otherwise it will go for fail. Now it is open browser. I click the alert and saved, and no such alert. Okay, this particular information, because we already clicked the accept, then we are going to get the text. That's why it is not able to give the proper information. Now we can go, our test case got pass. Even you can able to see our result. Here is the getting for that clicked alert. Okay, verification one, alert result. Okay, then here you can able to see I am a JS alert. Okay, this is the way we can able to click some accept one. Now again I need to click here, I need to click cancel. If I click the cancel, I will get the information like this. Okay, you clicked cancel. Now I need to click this particular alert and I need to verify. Then again I'm going to take this XPath. Because one it is completed, and that after that again I'm going to check here. This is a message one, confirm messaging purpose. Accept we already saw, that's why I'm not going to repeat one more time. Now I'm going to make it for dismiss, because accept or okay both are similar format. That's why I'm not going to check again the same one. Just now I'm going to do it for dismiss alert. Dismiss alert. Okay, and now what and then waiting for here, and after that clicking confirmation and dismissing alert. Okay, dismiss alert and again get the result, and what exactly information we are going to get. This is the one we are going to get. You clicked as, you clicked cancel. Okay, now again I'm running. There are two operations now. First one, it will click one, and then again it will click for another confirmation one. And after that again it will click for cancel. Now you can see cancelled also, it is clicked and also passed. Okay, then I have a final one that is called sending the information. Sending information also similar format, and here we can able to take this promotion one, and this is my text, and I can able to pass it here, and then it is not a accept now because we are not going to accept because here we need to use it, and I need to accept here, accept alert. Before accept we need to send the text from that, right? Even we need to do for dot send alert text, and I'm going to providing for text as Lokesh. Okay, then again I'm going to make it for 2 2 2, and then if I make it for Lokesh, it will give you for the similar format of Lokesh. You enter as Lokesh. Okay, sending and clicking accept, it should be at least 1 minute second, otherwise it will do very fast, then our test case will be fail. Now cancellation and then promotion, null. It is not entered any value. Why? What happened? That accept send is not send alert text. That is the one only. But why it is not able to accept it? XPath is perfect. There is no issue. Browser. Send alert text. Accept is not a function. Our intention is basically to enter the text for that particular alert. Why? Still it is not enter. Ah, yeah, it is enter. Now Lokesh, if you see that it is enter the value into a Lokesh. You entered Lokesh. There is information we printed here also and here as well. Okay. Both the places. Just this S is I added a extra, that's why it is got failed. Otherwise it will be pass. Okay. This is the simplest way we can able to do for these alerts. I hope this information will help you to learn for WebDriverIO. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe and share to your friends, and don't forget to provide some comments and like this video. Thank you.